All right, we're live from Westview, Atlanta. The latest renovation done by MOG Improvement Services. All the designs owned by my wife's company, MOG Design and Staging. I just want to give you a small peek about what we did in this master bathroom. We actually have this house on the market right now. And I just want to walk you through exactly what you're looking at. Behind me on the barn door, I'm going to flip the camera up. Let me see here. We have the entrance, a beautiful barn door. And let's see, there's a small paradise in here. This is a master bathroom. We completely got it. We have a massive shower with a rain shower, double vessel vanity, big mirror across the board, some shelving on it. And this is like a 250 square feet bathroom with a frameless glass door. It's going to come in to give you some perspective about how big the shower is. This is a massive shower with a niche, a transom door, some light coming in. All this being staged by MOG Design and Staging. And I just want to show you double light, double vanity. My wife loved the vessel vanities on it, semi-custom shakers, and all the tile design as a cascade coming from the wall and spreading out actually through the bathroom floor. As I said, this is a 250 square feet bathroom. Let's open this room. Vessel vanity sinks, granite countertops, all the good stuff. It's a really big bathroom. I really like this one. This is one of the latest bathroom renovations that we have done. A lot of people ask me about the cost for this bathroom. And I want to share some numbers with you. This is a total god. We rebuilt everything from scratch. And a bathroom like this is running around 12,000 bucks. 12,000 including the tile work, the double vanity, the new plumbing, new electrical, the exhaust fan, the glass door. It's a big glass. That means that the glass is not really cheap. But as you see on the result of the bathroom, we're really satisfied. As I say, this renovation to do this bathroom, this is a full rehab. But in order to do this type of bathroom, the time frame is about 2 or 3 weeks. The glass door usually takes a little bit longer than that. But all in, we're looking around 12,000 bucks, which is not really bad for like a kind of oasis that we have in this bathroom right here. Just want to give you a small paint before we finish the video. This house is located in Westview. It's going to be 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. And as you see, the shower is massive. Let me give you a quick paint about the master bedroom that we have in here. It's almost 500 square feet with a massive closet. It's like a 400 square feet on the closet area only. You shoot this small video. As I said, some people reach out to me trying to ask me about the pricing and the time frame for this bathroom. And that's why I'm shooting the video, to show the bathroom to everyone. If you have any comments, just drop it below. We're going to keep going and shoot a live video from every job site that we step in. This is going to be the only one for today, but tomorrow I'm planning to stop by in 2 or 3. Actually, one of them is a big rehab that we're doing in Covington. And we have 3 bathrooms to show you in there. All the hardwood floors, drywall, framing, painting, you name it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it below. We're MOG Improvement. We're the premier contracting company in the city of Atlanta. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.